So I decided to choose this UDL. So for this one, we had to choose a California Content Standard. I decided to choose the Content Standard K.6. Students understand that history relates to events, people, and places of other times. I chose the substandard, understand how people lived in earlier times and how their lives would be different today. The explanation for this is it's a comic or meme, and it gives students a historical context to how time would have been before the Jim Crow laws were diminished in America. So this comic helps young students understand by using characters that they might already be familiar with while also putting it into context that they can connect to, like such as a simple thing like sitting together at lunch time and trading food. So on this meme it says Martin Luther King said, "I have a dream." Before that, we wouldn't be sitting here, and I wouldn't be trading you a carrot stick for a French fry. That's not even a trade, Franklin. So this meme it has like some historical background in it, but it also, like I said, brings it down to simpler terms for maybe a kindergartner. Yeah, so something like that I found was useful. I decided to pick this one because I thought that the idea of a meme for young kids would be kind of fun and kind of light, like for them to introduce those ideas to them. So, and then also I think it's important like to really tie into their background information or things that they might already be familiar with. So this is obviously kind of a popular cartoon. Maybe they've seen it before, maybe they haven't, but yeah, I mean it could be beneficial for that reason because it's something that maybe they're already familiar with, and so it could possibly interest them. Yeah, so I found that one to be one of my favorite ones that I did.